Here is our next problem sa shear and bending moment diagram using area method. So ito yung problem natin. So basahin muna natin. Cantilever beam acted upon by a uniformly distributed load in a couple as shown in the figure. Compute the reactions of the beam and draw the shear and bending moment diagram. Ayan. So dito given tayo ng beam and din dito sa may point D. So cantilever beam, fix yan. So meaning kapag fix, meron tayong tatlong reaction na nag-a-act sa may point D natin. So vertical reaction, RDV, ayan, and then horizontal reaction. So that is the RDH. And then meron tayong nag-a-act na moment dito sa may D. So let's say MD na lang yan. So by observation, makikita natin na wala namang horizontal reaction na nag-act dito sa may beam natin. So meaning dito sa may vertical or horizontal reaction dito sa may D, so 0. Kasi wala naman siyang i-counteract o kontrahin. So 0 yung DH natin or horizontal reaction dito sa my point D. So ang kukunin na lang natin is yung vertical reaction dito sa my D and then the moment dito sa my D. So una, summation of moment at D is equal to 0, and then ang assumption natin is counterclockwise, so positive. So MD, and then ito, so 5 kilonewton. So yung ikot niya papunta dito sa may D natin, so pag ganyan, so counterclockwise, so plus 5 times 2, and then the moment arm, di ba yung resultant is nag-act lang naman siya sa gitna, so kalahati. So 1/2 ng 2 is equal to 1, di ba 1? 1 lang naman. And then 1/2 ng 2 is equal to 1, so 1. And then i-add natin yung distance hanggang dito sa may D natin. So that is 2 plus 1, so 3. So plus 3. Yan yung distance natin. And then next natin is itong moment dito sa may point C. So clockwise yung moment dito sa C. So 60 kilonewton meter. So clockwise. And then, ang assumption natin is counterclockwise, which is positive. So, meaning, itong 60 clockwise, so minus 60. Wala naman na, so is equal to 0. So, MD is equal to 20 kilonewton meter. So, yan yung moment sa D. And then, next is itong vertical reaction sa D. So, summation of forces, vertical na lang tayo, is equal to 0. So, positive is the upward. Ayan. So, RDV. And then, itong 5 kilonewton. Minus 5 kilonewton times ito 2. So, 2 meter. Ayan, is equal to 0. So, RDV now, or the vertical reaction sa D, is 10 kilonewton. Ayan. So, yung D is 20 kilonewton meter, and then ito is 10 kilonewton. Ayan. So, nakuha na natin yung mga reactions dito sa beam. And then next is, i-draw natin yung shear and bending and moment. Shear and bending moment diagram natin. So, dito, ayan. So, ilagay lang natin yung mga reactions natin. So, RDV is equal to 10 kilonewton. And then, MD, or yung moment natin sa dito, so that is 20 kilonewton meter. So una is shear diagram. Ayan. So dito sa may A, so from A to B, so meron tayong 5 kilonewton per meter. Yes, 5 kilonewton per meter. Times natin is times ito 2 meter is equal to, so yung pag-act niya is pababa, so downward, so that is minus. So minus 5 kilonewton per meter times 2 meters is equal to, that is negative 10 kilonewton. So from 0, so sa may A, pupunta tayo sa may B, which is negative 10 kilonewton. Negative 10 kilonewton. And then, negative 10 kilonewton, and then, magta-travel tayo sa from B, C, so wala namang mga reaction dyan, so magta-travel lang dyan. Ayan, hanggang dito sa may point D. So, dito sa may point D, meron tayong vertical reaction which is 10 kilonewton na upward. So, meaning, pag upward, i-add natin yan. So, plus 10 kilonewton is equal to 0. And then, aakyat tayo dito. So, that would be our shear diagram. So, ito, first degree. Yan, first degree yan. And then, next tayo is the bending moment diagram. So, since yung pag-draw ng shear and bending moment diagram natin is using area method. So, una is, di ba ito, triangle. So, yung area ng triangle natin is 1/2 base times height. Ayan. So, dito, this is 2 meter. Lagay lang natin, so this is negative, negative din to, negative. So, una, from A to B, so ito, meron tayong shape yan is triangle. So, 1/2 na 10 kilonewton. So, that is negative. So, minus. So, 10 kilonewton. So, ilabas na lang natin yung negative. So, minus 1/2 times 10 kilonewton times ito, 2 meter is equal to negative 10 kilonewton meter. So, from A to B, so dito sa may A natin, so wala naman tayong moment dyan. So, mag-start tayo dito sa may 0. Papunta tayo sa negative 10 kilonewton meter. So, dito. So, pababa. Ganyan. So, negative, that is negative 10 kilonewton meter. And then, next tayo is from B hanggang dito sa may C. So, yung shape natin dyan is rectangle. So, ang area ng rectangle, ang formula dyan is, di ba, base times height. Di ba, base times height. So, negative 10 kilonewton meter. And then, minus. So, minus natin yung ito. So, 10 pa rin yan. Times, ilan to? 2 meter. So, times 2 meter is equal to, so that is negative 30 kilonewton meter. So, dito, pababa tayo ng, so from negative 10, pupunta tayo sa may negative 30. Ayan, so that is negative 30. Ayan. So, next tayo, so from dito, meron tayo dito sa may point C, meron tayong moment dito which is 60 kilonewton clockwise. So, pag clockwise, so plus. So, negative 30 kilonewton meter. So, meron tayong moment sa C. So, clockwise, plus. Ayan. So, plus 60 kilonewton meter is equal to 30 kilonewton meter. So, dito, meaning, tataas tayo. Pupunta tayo dito. So, dito na lang. Ganyan. So, that is, hanggang dyan is 30. So, positive. So, 30 kilonewton meter. And then, meron tayong from C to D, meron tayo dito is, alam to, 1 meter. Ayan, so negative. So, that is 10 pa rin ito. So, 10 kilonewton pa rin yan. So, minus. So, rectangle ulit yung shape natin. So, minus 10 times 1 meter. So, that is 20 kilonewton meter. So, pupunta tayo. So, yan. So, that is hanggang dyan. So, 20. Ayan. So, 20. And then, dito sa may point D natin is meron tayong moment dyan which is 20 kilonewton meter. And then, counterclockwise. So, meaning, i-minus natin. So, 20 kilonewton meter minus 20 kilonewton meter. So, is equal to 0. Ayan. So, yan. So, meaning, pag napag-zero natin yung moment, so meaning, tama yung mga answer natin. So, dito, dito is the second degree, and then first degree to, and then first degree to. So, dito sa pag-drawing, ng dito sa may bending moment diagram, so, kailangan nating tandaan yung ito. So, this is, kailangan natin. Ayan. So, this is the DD. This is the DD. So, this positive, negative, positive, and negative, and then positive. So, dito, positive decreasing, ganito yung pag-drawing. And then, kapag negative increasing naman, so, ganyan, pag ganyan yung pag-drawing. And then, negative decreasing, and then positive increasing. So, ganyan. Ito. So, dito is from 0 to negative 10. So, meaning yan, negative. So, tingin tayo dito, negative. So, ito is negative increasing ito. So, negative increasing. So, meaning, yung pag-drawing natin sa moment diagram natin is pa ganito. So, makikita natin this pa ganyan. Pa ganyan yung drawing natin. Ganyan. So, that is second degree. So, that is our bending moment diagram. So, yan yung shear and bending moment diagram natin using area method. Ayan, so I hope na intindihan natin. Yan, so sample problem number 2 natin yan.